This is the Manfrotto Befree K&F Concept. This one, the K&F is lighter than the Manfrotto. So let's take a look. They both fit into these bags. This is $150. This is $300. But let's see the differences when we try to actually use them. So it's done like this. Transform. Locks in like so. You know, quick half a turn for each. Half a turn each. Turn it back. Half a turn. Half a turn. And it's locked. The biggest reason I got this is because for both of them, they do the overhead shot. So you loose this part up, boom, and now you have an overhead. Like that. And this part, go down and up. Just like that. Now let's transform it back. Wheel these in. Overall pretty sturdy. Turn this. And now this part, you clip, hold that down. Hold this down. You have to like push it downward in, then back out. And make sure this lines up. And back to place into the bag. Take a look at the Manfrotto. Manfrotto, just pull, just transform. Here's the locks. This one has an easier turn, when you feel it. It's actually a little bit easier to turn these and lock. Turn. The turn is much easier to turn than the other one. Turn. Turn. When you extend, one thing about it is it doesn't have notches like this one does here on the side. So sometimes it's a little bit hard to match, line up where you want it to stand. But these are super easy to turn. Half turn, super easy. That's one part I really like about it. Now if you want to do the overhead shot, this particular time it's a little bit stuck. See, it doesn't do it. It's stuck like that, right? You have to push it, and then when you push it, it goes up. So you twist. Pretty easy, very smooth. Careful how this lines up. Push this down, in. And now to lock and unlock, you push this. Upwards. So down and then upwards. It's pretty stiff to do. Downward and up. And it's back. Twist, twist. And we're back. So what can I say about these two? Honestly, because this one is half the price of this one, I would go with that. It's lighter and a little bit easier to use actually. This one, although these knobs and stuff are easy to turn, I found some of the angles are a little bit difficult to use, especially with the bending the legs, making it a little bit difficult. But I really like how these were much